What's up, guys? This is Bella Shaker Girl 392 on Instagram and YouTube, and today we're going to be painting my demon wheels. We're going to be color matching them to the Satin Chrome Crimson Red by Tech Wrap, and then we're also going to be color matching it to the OEM Yellow Jacket, and then we're going to come around and do the interior trim pieces. As you can see in here, I previously wrapped them with the Satin Chrome Red, and I didn't do a great job, so we're going to be taking the wrap off and redoing all of the interior, including the center console. This is Dana, the owner of DW Customs here in Sanford, North Carolina, and he specializes in auto body collision repairs, custom paintwork, and literally anything you could possibly think of to do to your car. And he will be walking us through the process of painting everything, except I will be telling you what's going on because he will be focused on doing the job correctly and I will be watching over him. So here I'm just taking a flathead screwdriver and I'm going in between the creases and just literally prying it out. It is pretty easy. You might have to use a little bit of force at first, but just be careful to not break the clips because they can be sensitive. Now once you get this out, you can literally just take the air vents out. They're clipped on as well, and it's really simple. Center console piece was a little bit more difficult. It was easy at first to just lift it up and take it out, grabbing the cup holders, but then you're going to need some sort of flathead or a clip grabber to unclip the gear shift part, as you can see we're doing here. That was a little bit more difficult, so I had him do it. And then after you get that part off, you're going to need to put the car in neutral or reverse and just play with it until you can basically lift up the center console, and then you can unclip the buttons from the back. Here we are sanding the pieces using a P400 grit and also a P600 grit sanding paper, and basically sanding it like that. And then we're also sanding the wheels with the exact same thing. The wheels took a long time because we had to clean them, and then we had to sand them, and then clean them, and then tape them up. Kick though, that's on our face. Out of wild in the hallway. Basketball didn't gunplay. Young niggas didn't graduate. You probably think I couldn't make it. It's all good, God saved me. Now I'm doing what I wanna. Billy truck in the corner. Niggas bite like piranha. If I gotta put the bag on them, I'ma pay them all honor. Billy truck, yeah, that's my choice to ride. Always keep some bitches on the side, yeah. And here we're just mixing the paint based off what the computer tells us to put in for the OEM color Yellow Jacket. Now that they're sanded, we're doing one coating of the sealant, and then we're going to let that dry for a second and then go back over with another coating. And we're doing this all over the wheel. Like a jag. Got the red and blues on my ass. Got lethal. We're doing one coating of Yellow Jacket, and this is going to be the first layer that we're doing, and we're going to end up doing 3 layers so we get a nice, vibrant, strong color. I'ma call on squad like what's the plans? We've been rocking, geeking, going all night. Treat my Lambo like a Fisher Price, yeah. I can never let her spend the night. Woke up, cocaine all in my head, thought it was light, yeah. Billy truck, yeah, that's my choice to ride. Always keep some bitches on the side, yeah. Don't stand too close, my diamonds gonna bite. I get drugs for the right price, yeah. She gon' eat this Molly like it's rice. This is an absolutely beautiful red that I really liked, and we custom made it to my liking because I wanted it to match my wrap from Tech Wrap. And we added some gold flakes to it as well, so it's like a satiny chrome red with a hint of gold. But to top all of this off, we're going to be adding a candy paint coating to the top, and it'll really make this color shine and be very beautiful.
We gon' try something different just for tonight. Tell the tavern I pay the price. Just take me there, I might roll the dice. With a blindfold, I can still whip up a pie.
This is the final look, and it is absolutely gorgeous. The candy coating really added like a beautiful top to it, and just made it shine with, like, I don't know, dimension and depth. Like, but the wheels look stunning and they look glossy. Oh, and I do want to say we did add 3 clear coats of 2K, so they're going to be very, you know, strong and resistant. And we did that for everything. And they look beautiful. And then here's the yellow, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It matches the yellow jacket perfectly, and there's just enough gloss for my liking, and it's just gorgeous.
She gon' eat the smiley like it's rice. I'ma make her sing like callipers, yeah. She drive, I drive, I overdrive, I drive for you. I blink out too.
It doesn't get much better than this. Spend too much time getting ready for this. These days it seems like I just can't miss, and I must confess, it don't get much better than this, baby. Oh, don't get much better than this. Oh, don't get much better than this, baby. Oh, don't get much better than this. Don't get much better than this. You know, summertime is the perfect time. Yeah, I'm gonna win that race if you cross that line. Yeah, for every question I got answers, babe. For you, I'm trying to touch a girl in each and everywhere. Yeah, just don't fuck up the vibe. Pennies and problems, put them to the side. Pop that champagne glasses up to the sky. Why not just live, have a hell of a time with me?